Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Kitchen of Kimawats. Today I am with my chachu and we are going to make paneer momos. So let's get started. For making momos, here we have taken around 300 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, in which we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and around 2 teaspoons of ghee, and we'll mix it and we'll make a soft dough using water. The dough must not be so soft or so tight. It should be medium soft. So for making dough, here we have used around 3/4 cup of water. The amount of water may differ. So now as you can see, our soft dough is ready. Now we'll apply around half teaspoon of ghee on top of it so that the top doesn't dry out. And we'll cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside. So now we'll make stuffing, for which here I have taken a kadhai in which I have poured around 1 teaspoon of oil and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, in which I am adding 3 to 4 medium sized finely chopped onions, and we'll fry it so that the raw taste of the onion will go out. In which we are adding 1 medium sized finely chopped cabbage, one small capsicum, and some paneer. Here we have taken around 150 grams of crushed paneer. Now we'll mix everything. In it 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of vinegar. So now our stuffing is ready. Now we'll make the red chutney. So here I have taken the same kadhai in which we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and 6 to 7 finely grated garlic, in which we will add a little bit of onions and some curry leaves, and we'll fry everything. We'll keep the flame low or medium. In which we'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and some finely chopped red chilies, dry red chilies. If you want to eat so spicy, then you can add some more chilies. And we'll mix everything. In it we will add around 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar and we'll mix it. And a little bit of pizza pasta sauce. I am using pizza pasta sauce because I don't have soya sauce. If you have soya sauce, then you can use soya sauce as well. And a little bit of tomato sauce, around 1 tablespoon. And we'll give everything a quick mix. We'll keep the flame low. Now in it we will add little bit of water. Don't add so much of water, around 1/4 cup of water is enough. And we have to mix everything. Don't switch off the flame. We'll keep the flame medium at this stage. So now at this stage we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and we'll mix everything. So now as you can see that the chutney has become a little bit thick. So it is the perfect consistency of the chutney. So our chutney is ready. So now it's been 20 minutes to our dough. Now we'll knead the dough again for 1 minute. So now our dough is ready. We'll preheat our steamer. So here I have taken a steamer in which I have put some water, and now I'll preheat for around 10 minutes on low flame. So here I have taken a small portion from my dough and we'll roll it on a rolling board. You have to roll it a little bit thin so that the momos will come out nice. In this way we'll roll it and we'll take it in our hand and we'll put a little bit of our stuffing in it and we'll close it. You have to do this process really slow because it is a difficult process. So our momo is ready. In this way we'll make all the momos. So I have made a lot of momos and our steamer is also ready. It's been 10 minutes to the steamer. Now we'll place some cabbage leaves in it so that the momos won't become wet from the bottom. So a little bit of cabbage leaves. So now slowly we'll keep all of them on the cabbage leaves. Now we'll cover it with a lid and let it bake for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and our momos are ready and they are looking so delicious. So try this recipe at your home and share your experience in the comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to press the like button and subscribe my channel for new updates. Enjoy!